I have a good one for you today. I went thrifting. I picked up 10 items for $43.92. Of those 10 items, 4 items already sold, and I more than tripled my investment. Stick around to see what I picked up and which of the 4 items sold. Here is another thrift haul. I picked up 10 items for $43.32. I picked up a Joseph Ribkoff dress. They charged me $4.50 for the dress. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you know I like to play a game I call Buy or Pass on my Instagram story. While I'm out thrifting, I will ask my Instagram followers if they will buy or pass on items at the thrift store. I asked Instagram if they would pick up the purple Joseph Ribkoff dress for $4.50. As you can see, only 45% said buy, while 55% said pass. I don't always listen to my Instagram followers. Next up was a concrete mix sweater. I'd not heard of that brand before. Now it does look unique, colorful, and possibly vintage. 67% of my Instagram followers said buy, while 33% said pass. Stick around for the rest of the video to see if I listen to my Instagram followers on this one. The denim was $4.50 each. I picked up a pair of silver jeans, Suki flap. It does have the embellished back pockets. Here is a pair of Madewell denim jeans. Again, $4.50. I'm a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook, and what that means is I flip undervalued items from garage sales and thrift stores for a high profit on those websites. If you like this kind of video where I cut right to the chase and give you the thrift haul and the items that sold, then go ahead and give this video a like, which tells me you like this type of content and would like to see more. While you're at it, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified when I release my next video. It really helps my channel. Here's a pair of Judy Blue. This is a new to me brand, but it did say Judy Blue Los Angeles on the inner tag. It's a smaller size 1/25. $4.50 for that, but I did look up comps in the store. If Judy Blue is a newer brand for you, this is a look at the inner tag. It does say Judy Blue Los Angeles. And conveniently, it does say the style of the jeans on the inner waistband as well. Back here are 2 Vans plaid flannel shirts, size large for men. $3.75 each on those shirts. Getting back to the buy or pass game that I do on Instagram, I asked the followers if they would pick up the Vans flannel shirts. It was close. 57% said buy, while 43% said pass. Obviously, I picked them up and we agreed on this one. And then I did ask my Instagram followers if they would pick up a Golden State Warriors sweatshirt. Close yet again. 51% said buy, 49% said pass. Stick around to see if I picked up this Golden State Warriors sweatshirt. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, go ahead and check it out. I'm at piece.of.scrap. Back here is an Ariat long sleeve t-shirt, $3.75 for that. It's Ariat rebar, which is new to me, but Ariat brand does sell well for me. Here is a new with tag Lucky brand thermal Hindley shirt, $3.75 for that. I believe it is a size medium. Back here is a pair of BKE denim jeans for women. These are the Stella. I have sold Stella style before and they are distressed. $4.50 for the denim jeans. And this is a Spider full zip, I want to say jacket, but it does say cozy sweater on the inner tag. It's Spider, S-P-Y-D-E-R, and here is that logo. They charged me a sweater price of $3.75. So I was in Goodwill less than an hour. I picked up 10 items. My total for the trip was $43.92. 4 of the items sold already for over $150. 2 of them sold on Facebook and 2 more sold on Poshmark. Can you guess which ones sold already? Let's take a look. So we have 2 items sell on Facebook. The first one was the Ariat rebar long sleeve t-shirt. Remember, this was a new to me brand with the rebar. It sold quickly. within 7 days of listing for $24.65, and the buyer paid $5.75 shipping. So my profit on the $3.75 shirt was nearly $20 at $19.27. So keep your eye open for Ariat, even when it's a t-shirt and it says rebar on the back. Another item sold on Facebook, the BKE Stella denim jeans. I paid $4.50 for these. They sold for $37.40 on my promotion. The buyer did pay first class shipping of $5.75. So my profit, $32.65. BKE denim jeans sell well for me, so I was surprised when these BKE Stella for women, they actually sold within 1 month of listing, and my profit was over $30. BKE denim jeans can sell well for men and women. Then I had 2 sales on Poshmark. I sold the Vans, one of the Vans flannel shirts for $35. My full asking price, it sold within 1 month of listing. Again, I paid $3.75 for the shirts. So my profit on the one shirt was $24.25. This one is very autumnal in fall colors of maroon, brown, and gold. I do have a similar shirt in white, maroon, and navy print. And the last time that sold on Poshmark was the spider jacket. Again, they charged me a sweater price for $3.75. I accepted an offer of $45, so my profit, $32.25. It was a spider core sweater. Circling back on the buyer pass game, I think I need to close the loop. I did not pick up the concrete mixer sweater that appeared to be vintage and very colorful. I'm not sure, did I make a mistake? Leave a comment below and let me know. Would you have picked that up? And then on this one, the Golden State Warriors sweatshirt, you did not see that in this thrift haul. However, I went back the following day and it was still there. So I did pick it up for $3.75, but it's still listed in my eBay store. So if you're looking for a Golden State Warriors sweatshirt, head on over to my online stores and check it out. I spent a total of $43.92 on the entire thrift haul. As you can see, I've already made that back and then some. The gross sales for the 4 items that sold was $153.30. And here you can see on the profit on just those 4 items was over $100 at $108.42. I do keep track of every item, the cost paid, the fees associated, the shipping to and from, as well as the profit per item. That way I know if the item is profitable or not, and if I should pick it up again. If you're impressed by my handy dandy spreadsheet, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And even if you're not impressed, give it a thumbs up. Now, granted, I did turn away some lowball offers. One I can remember on the other Vans flannel plaid men's shirt, which I probably should have accepted as it would have added to my bottom line. But I will continue to evaluate this thrift haul and accept offers as they come in. Now, I list on multiple platforms using a tool called listperfectly. It is a great tool. I will post the item to eBay and then cross-list it to Mercari, Facebook, and Poshmark. If you'd like to give listperfectly a try, please do so using my code MONEY, M-O-N-E-Y, because it saves you time and money. More eyes on your items means more money in your pocket. I will have that link in the description below, but again, it's listperfectly, code MONEY. You will save 30% off your first month's subscription. If you're interested in any of these items, the link to all my online stores is in the description below, and you can see that here on the screen as well. Again, piece of scrap. Hey, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And if you could leave a comment of a spider emoji in the comment section below for the spider jacket I sold on Poshmark. If you've enjoyed this video or learned something new today, pound that like button. It's the thumbs up. It really helps my channel and it tells me that I am creating great content that you guys love. I will link another What Sold in the Stack video here for your viewing pleasure. Enjoy this one as well, and I'll catch you in the next one.